Today I'm going to show you how to use Spice to federate SQL queries across data sources. Federation in Spice allows you to query data across both analytical and operational data sources with zero ETL. This is useful because it eliminates the need to move or duplicate data. I'm going to demonstrate this by walking through a common use case of pulling in data from S3, Postgres, and Dremio, and doing it in Spice in a single query. I have the cookbook open in this tab if you want to follow along. And to begin, you're going to need to have the Spice CLI installed and clone the cookbook repository to your device. Next, you're going to navigate to the cookbook/federation directory. In your terminal, you're going to initialize the Spice app. When prompted, I'm just going to press enter and use the default name. For this demo, we're going to need to log into Dremio. And in order to log in, we can use the Dremio login from the cookbook recipe and paste it in our terminal. Next, we're going to add the federation demo from our Spice rack by entering the command spice add, and then the path Spice.ai/federation demo. After we've added the federation demo from our Spice rack, we're going to run the Spice runtime. We're going to keep this runtime open, and in another terminal, we're going to open the Spice SQL REPL and perform the following SQL queries. The first query we're going to perform is querying the federated S3 source. We can enter this in, and you'll see we queried this table. Next, we're going to query the accelerated S3 source. You'll see the time it took to query was much shorter. Our next example, we're going to query the federated Dremio source. So we'll enter this into our terminal, and then we're going to query the accelerated Dremio source. Now we're going to perform an aggregation query that combines data from S3 and Dremio. So we're going to copy this in from the cookbook, and you can see the output is this table with total sales, total transactions, and etc. queried from both S3 and Dremio data. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. For more cookbook recipes, you can follow the link in the description. Thank you.